So my name is Victor. I'm basically a biomedical scientist and entrepreneur. Our company is specializing in surgical instruments for plastic, aesthetic, and reconstructive surgery. We're a US-Dutch company. Basically, we have a head entity in the US and our main operational R&D subsidiary in the Netherlands. And we followed quite a global journey. We actually started in Australia and moved it to Germany, but ended up having basically US-Dutch corporate structure. Anyway, so we've been around.
Mm-hmm.
It could be it could be a real time waste if you have to manage, for example, a prototyping project, and you do not have capacity to do it internally fully. So you have to all of a sudden order 3D prints, you have to order CNC machine parts, or God forbid injection molding parts if you really need that for prototyping. That could take a month. So by the time you can wait for someone to reply to the email and come back from a holiday to, then waiting for the bloody part to arrive and 6 weeks later, that's really expensive for a startup.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So that, of course, third-party reliance and management is extremely, it's not spoken enough about. Because if you go and say, oh, you need to find qualified people who do this, well, yeah, sure. But do they have time for you?
Yeah.
Are they going to be able to respond to your emails? Are they going to reply to your questionnaire for supplier evaluation? A couple of months ago, I ran into a huge problem of trying to find providers of CNC parts, which were reasonable in timelines, didn't take like 9 to 8 weeks to produce, and do it quickly and within reasonable cost. And also there was often like no person attached on the other end of the conversation. So I found this very helpful to engage with HLH in this regard, because it did help us save a lot of time in wait lines for producing CNC parts. Particularly the fact that you are available to discuss the challenge, to move things on quickly, to pass the files along and respond to challenges fast. That was a big time saver for us, and we appreciate that. Yeah.